Everyone, welcome to Master Astrology YouTube channel. Feeling stuck in life, whether it is money issues or love problems or health concerns or financial issues, ancient astrology holds powerful answers. In this video, discover simple yet effective astrological remedies to align your energy and transform your life. Hi, I'm Master Astrologer and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you believe that the universe leaves clues in the stars, you are in the right place. Today we will uncover astrological solutions for everyday challenges based on Vedic wisdom. Today we are going to discuss few remedies that work very well to overcome our problems. Let's discuss common astrological causes for health issues. Ascendant and Ascendant Lord. Ascendant represents body. If it is weak or afflicted, it weakens overall vitality. Next one is sixth house. Sixth house, primary house for diseases. Malefic influence leads to chronic illness. Eighth house. Sudden illness, surgeries, hidden or genetic problems. Saturn, Rahu, Ketu causes long-term mysterious diseases. When moon is afflicted, it gives mental health issues. Afflicted moon causes also anxiety, depression and insomnia. Ketu in 6th or 8th house gives untraceable illness or spiritual karmic alignments. Typical symptoms are unexplained chronic health issues, mental stress or anxiety, recurring diseases, delayed diagnosis. When health deteriorates without reason, especially under the influence of Saturn, Rahu, or Ketu, spiritual protection is key. Light a sesame oil lamp in the west of your home at sunset and chant Mahamrityunjay mantra daily to strengthen your vitality and shield yourself from negative energy. Let us discuss Vedic astrology causes for relationship issues. Afflicted Venus. This will create problems in love, romance, and harmony. Moon Venus imbalance. It will create emotional instability and lack of emotional connection. Seventh house. It governs marriage and partnership. Afflicted by Saturn and Rahu or Ketu or Mars can cause delays, fights, or separation. Then Mangala dosha, especially if Mars is in first, second, fourth, seventh, eighth, or 12th house. Rahu Ketu in first or seventh house. This will create mistrust, misunderstandings, and karmic relationships. Weak Jupiter in women's chart. This will create problems in marriage and finding a compatible partner. Typical symptoms are delayed marriage, frequent breakups, trust issues or betrayal, divorce or separation. If you are dealing with heartbreak or relationship tension, Venus and Moon may be imbalanced. Offer white flowers to Goddess Lakshmi on Fridays and wear a silver ring on your little finger on Monday. You can also place a rose quartz crystal in your bedroom to invite love and harmony. These remedies will improve relationship. Discuss common astrological causes for financial issues. Second house deals with wealth and family asset. If afflicted or weak, then it will lead to money leakage. 11th house deals with gains and income. If malefics or retrograde planets influence 11th house, there will be missed opportunities. Saturn affliction leads to poverty, debt, financial delays. Venus or Jupiter weakness in the horoscope leads to poor money management or lack of prosperity. Rahu in the second or 11th house leads to sudden gains followed by losses or greed driven downfall. Typical symptoms are inconsistent income, sudden losses or theft, or poor savings or financial dependency. What we need to do? We need to strengthen the second and 11th houses. Those are wealth and gain houses. Remedies are keep silver coins in your wallet that boosts second house energy. Light a ghee lamp daily in the north direction activates 11th house gains. Chant the following mantra 108 times. Om Srim Sreya Namaha attracts wealth and abundance. If income is blocked or money slips away too easily, Saturn and Jupiter could be playing the role. So please follow the remedies suggested by me already. Discuss common astrological causes for career issues. Weak 10th house, 10th lord. 10th lord primarily governs career. If it is afflicted or weak, it leads to instability of career. Also, Karaka Saturn affliction. This causes delays, struggles, hard work without reward. Also, Sun's affliction will lead to lack of direction, lack of recognition, as Sun represents authority and leadership. Mercury affliction impacts communication and business sense. Whenever Rahu in the 10th house, it leads to sudden career ups and downs and scandals. Also, retrograde or compass planets involvement with the 10th house or 10th lord or Saturn will lead to confusion or unclear goals or poor decision making issues in career. Typical symptoms are lack of recognition, job loss, stagnation, office politics or frequent changes, or business failures. Career delays and lack of recognition are often linked to Mercury or the Sun. On Wednesday, feed green powder to cows to strengthen Mercury's energy, and Sundays chant Aditya Hridayam Stotra to improve Sun. Also, pray Surya Bhagavan. Also, Saturn is Karaka for provision. Pray Shiva Bhagavan. Some remedies are universal and beneficial for anyone regardless of horoscope. Keep a Tulsi plant at home for purification and peace. On Thursday, write down 5 things you are grateful for. Jupiter loves gratitude. And also praying Lord Shiva and praying Lord Hanuman and praying Lord Ganesha will improve Saturn and also Ketu. Those will give immense prosperity and also good career. Discuss Vedic mantras as a remedy for each and every planet. For Sun, Om Grinahu Suryaya Namaha. For Moon, Om Somaya Namaha. For Mars, Om Angarakaya Namaha. For Jupiter, Om Brahaspataya Namaha. For Mercury, Om Budhaya Namaha. For Venus, Om Shukraya Namaha. For Shani, Om Shaniye Namaha. For Rahu, Om Rahave Namaha. For Ketu, Om Ketave Namaha. We need to chant these mantras 108 times daily to improve our planet's strength. Also, there are some powerful bija mantras for each and every planet. Starting with Sun. Sun is planet of vitality and authority and ego. So we need to chant Om Ham Hrim Hum Sahasuryaya Namaha mantra 108 times daily if possible, otherwise on Sundays. This will improve confidence, leadership skills, fame, fatherly relationship, and overall energy. For Moon, planet of mind and emotion, and Mother, the mantra is Om Shram Shrim Srom Sahachandraya Namaha. This mantra enhances mental peace, emotional stability, creativity, and connection with Mother. Chanting daily is auspicious, if not on Mondays. For Mars, planet of energy, courage, and aggression, Om Kram Krim Krom Sahab Omaya Namaha. This mantra benefits willpower, physical strength, helps to overcome anger, legal issues, and Mangal dosha. Chanting daily is auspicious, if not on Tuesdays. Let's move on to Mercury, planet of communication, intelligence, and business. Om Brahm Brim Brahm Sahabudaya Namaha. This benefits intellect, memory, speech, writing skills, and success in trade. Must be chanted on Wednesday or every day. Let's move on to Jupiter, planet of wisdom, wealth, and growth. Om Gram Grim Grom Saha Gurave Namaha. It improves education, wealth, spiritual growth, and relationship with elders or teachers. If we chant on every day, this is auspicious. Otherwise, on this mantra needs to be chanted on Thursdays. Let's move on to Venus. Venus is the planet of love, luxury, and beauty. Om Ram Dream Dom Sahasukraya Namaha. This mantra must be chanted every day if possible, otherwise on Fridays. It brings harmony in relationships, creativity, luxury, and financial gains. Saturn, planet of discipline, karma, and delays. Om Pram Prim Prom Sahasine Acharya Namaha. This mantra needs to be chanted on every Saturday or every day. Benefit, it reduces obstacles, karmic debt, fear, poverty, and helps in long-term planning. I will repeat the mantra Om Pram Prim Pram Saha Shanishwaraya Namaha. Let's continue with Rahu, shadow planet, north node. Om Brahm Brim Bhom Saharahave Namaha. This mantra needs to be chanted every day, if not on Saturdays. Benefit: it helps with obsessive tendencies, illusion, addictions, and unplanned disruptions. Next one is Ketu, shadow planet, south node. Om Sram Srim Sraum Sahaketave Namaha. This mantra needs to be chanted on Tuesdays or Thursdays, if possible every day. It aids in detachment, spiritual growth, removing confusion, and overcoming past life karma. Let's find some tips for chanting. Use Rudrakshamala 108 beats for counting, or face east in the morning or north in the evening. Light a ghee lamp and sit calmly before chanting. Maintain consistency. Chant daily or at least on, on the planet's weekday. If you have found even one helpful tip in this video, tap the like button, hit subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Comment below which remedy are you going to try first. I had love to hear your story. Thank you for watching. May the stars always guide you towards clarity, strength, and abundance. See you in the next video.